How to reduce image size online. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can reduce email size in KB. So without further delay, let's get started. Open up a browser in your device, navigate to the search bar, and in the search bar, search for reduce image size. From the search result, search for this link that says ResizePixel. So you have to go to www.resizepixel.com. It will let you reduce your image for free. Click on Upload Image button. From your device, select the image that you want to reduce the size for. Click on Open. Now wait for a while. Here you have various options that you can choose from. Click on the compress, and here you can click on auto compress, or if you have your preferred file size, then you could also select the size here. For now, we will keep on auto, then click on compress. Wait for a while until the process is complete. As you can see now, your file is reduced by 74%, which is reduced from 1.01 MB to 274.76 KB. Now, if you want to download this image, go to download button at the bottom right corner, then you could download your reduced image. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.